working? Oh, it's working.
It's working.
So how are we doing this vlog?
Yeah, I was thinking like we should like.
Yes, get in your car, Sasa. You wanna pretend?
I'm
like
already
you're
inside the car. Fuck
fine.
you.
vian'svlog. That's me.
Just met you today and you're here like, oh, okay. Yeah, so dramatic. So dramatic. So dramatic.
Bitch, we're supposed to be serious.
I know. I'm Anthony / Antoine, and he is whatever.
I'm Vian, with a V. You can make it with these two fingers, like
Vian. Disgusting. So
okay, yeah.
Yeah, we met today, and we just dropped a YouTube. No,
Stop it. Get some help.
a TikTok video.
A TikTok video, yeah.
TikTok video, and we might post it on YouTube and also on my Instagram. Follow Antoine.
I'll put the whatever the every detail.
Antoine.
I'll put it on my video description down below, the links and everything. So yeah. So
okay, video's done. Bye bye.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So since it's the first day that we met, like,
yeah, it's 5. Okay, dude, it's keeping me in your house for 5 hours without food for me.
oh my god! Oh,
Dude,
shit!
no.
Okay. Since I don't know how to say this in English, it's the bean and bluffy for me.
Are you serious? I'm a guest.
Well, you know.
No.
Suck it.
Dude, I didn't even get water.
Okay.
Dude.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, leave. Dramatic. He's so dramatic.
Okay.
He is so dramatic.
Okay, so since we met, I think we should have something to eat while we're doing this.
At 5 p.m. Let me do this. At 5 p.m.
Bitch,
You
I'm
want
out
to
of
leave?
here. I'm out of here.
Boy, bye! He's keeping me here for 5 hours in his house without eating nothing. You're such a dumb, selfish bitch!
It's the being possessive for me.
Possessive? Po fucking what? What? What did he say? What? I can't hear you. Yeah, you're locked out. What? What?
Stay out of the...
Yeah, stay out. That's where you belong. For keeping your guests hungry for 5 freaking hours of making TikTok. For Christ's sake. Okay, he is so excited. He is so excited to meet me today because it's his first time and I'm so famous.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
He's lying.
You know, okay, I'm not famous, guys. I'm not really famous.
He's
I mean,
famous.
he thinks I'm famous and he's so excited.
Why did you put all the camera to yourself? We should share. Sharing is caring.
Dude, your face is just...
Did I start like saying caring is sharing? Caring.
Smoke weed every day.
It's caring is sharing for me. Okay, guys, so this is me, Antoine. This is Vian Valerian. Sorry,
is
we're
my
doing this
phone
again
not
all over.
sounding?
Your car is off. You don't have the keys. It's your uncle's car from me that you don't have the keys.
It's the being rude for me.
You're rude.
You're rude.
You're
You don't
the one
have
who's
to
rude.
like say everything to people like I don't have the keys. I don't have. It's not my car. You know.
It
hurts.
Do you want to cry?
It hurts so. I'm triggered.
Bitch, bye.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god! What is that?
So good.
How are you doing that so well? I am trying to fight with my spaghetti. Like, I'm gonna kill a bitch. Okay, anyway, moving on. So today I'm gonna talk with Anthony, or as I like to call him, Antoine.
Why so dramatic? Why you have fun? Why do you have to be so
Period.
dramatic?
Okay, so let's move on.
Let's move on.
It's the it's the mouthful for me. Okay. Never mind.
It's your cold food for me.
Seriously.
Yeah.
As I told you, you're being rude. This is rude.
Anyway, I really like the
I
the meat.
cooked it.
You wanna know something? You wanna know something?
Thank you.
You did?
I did. Yes. Thank you.
Oh. Oh my god.
I feel so special right now.
Yeah, I smell good.
So we're going to talk with Anthony. So Anthony, what do you do? Like,
Make TikTok.
oh,
Yeah.
is that all you do? Like, is that all we're paying you to do? Like, is that all we're being proud of you?
Who's paying me? Nobody's paying me.
TikTok. I am TikTok.
Oh,
TikTok.
really?
I am TikTok.
Yeah,
TikTok
you do.
Africa. I am the
You know
manager
what
or
TikTok would like you to do? Guess. Guess what TikTok would like you to do?
something. Me. Well, being famous, meeting Charlie.
No, I think they would like you to shut down your account. And don't curse people with your toxic, unwanted, ugly ass, copycat content. I know it's the mouthful for you, but I really like eating.
What
like
were you
this.
saying? What were you saying? I wasn't like here, and maybe I'm not
Yeah,
even
that's
here.
what.
Baby, I'm not even here. I'm a hallucination.
Oh, okay. Tell me what do you do? What do you do?
Well, I do a lot. I'm a talkative person, so I talk.
So I just met this guy today. This is the first time we're meeting.
We know. We said that in the introduction. Please
thought
stop
this-
repeating
I
things.
thought this was another video.
Yes, but it will all be edited.
Oh,
He doesn't understand the theory of editing.
何?お前はもう死んでいる。
Why would you serve cold food to a guest?
Okay, do you want the food or
It's
do
not
you not
nice.
want the food?
No, it's so rude.
You want the food and you're still
I think
eating
I'm
the
gonna
food and you
cry.
like the food.
I have to go. Oh my god, man. Oh no. Oh,
Karma is a bitch.
Karma's a bitch.
Karma or something. He's eating food from the seat.
Yeah.
It dropped.
Oh my.
Seat.
You don't have to tell everyone.
Oh, you told them about everything that I'm like. It's not my car. It's my uncle's car. That was very rude. I was
that
like,
was
oh my
true.
god.
But that's true. I'm sorry.
So I'm a TikToker.
Not sorry.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Okay, so guys, it's us again.
Okay, so no, seriously, make up my eye.
Yeah, it's eggs, meat.
So nice.
What is nyanya? Yeah, some
Garlic,
tomatoes.
and onions.
What challenges do you face
So good. In what TikTok?
in everywhere, like in everything you're doing? TikToks, Instagram. You said you don't have a YouTube channel. That's very sad.
I know.
Again, that's very sad. Repeat it with me. That's very
Sad.
And I wanna thank my haters too because
Challenges. Nobody saw that. Challenges. So like I think I guess it's just myself because sometimes I get really lazy and I don't want to do TikToks, or like I just don't feel the mood to do videos until when I meet somebody, you know, or until maybe I get like
when you said until he meets somebody, it's me, right? Until he meets me.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I would also say some accessories, let's say like a TikTok stand, or like let's say
Wait, you do have a
just
stand.
a stand. Well, right now I do, but like before it
Did
was
you
really
have?
tough for me.
Did you have to humiliate us? Like we're having something that's
But this is a cool thing. Stands are a cool thing. Look, they're really nice.
it's the being childish for me.
Dude, TikTok is childish. all that stuff. So yeah. And also what I said, accessories, gadgets, yeah, moods. This guy is so fucking annoying.
I know, right? That's the best
Stop
thing
doing
about
that.
me.
Yeah, that's what you're good at.
Okay, so
Anyway.
what do you want to ask me?
You. When are you gonna grow up?
Never. You know, you see, this is the thing.
I thought so.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Who's that? Who just came in? Nobody can see us.
Wait, where's that thing here?
I have it.
Oh, I thought it was like a permanent thing.
No, it comes off sometime. Hey, yeah.
What's the hiaba? What's that?
It's here.
What's the hiaba?
Well,
Why?
you don't know
What's hiaba?
Are you serious? You don't know
I
what
am
hiaba
TikTok.
is?
I am. My
Aren't you
headquarters are in
Swahili?
China.
Don't you know what Swahili is?
What's
Like, don't
Swahili?
you know Swahili?
What's Swahili?
Kiswahili.
What's Kiswahili?
Oh my god! What is that?
Suck it. You can go
Twerk on it.
shove hiapa.
Trocanet. Hi, baby.
I
Baby.
don't think.
That's my baby.
Oh my god, sorry. Hi. Oh my god.
She's my baby.
Wish you had a girlfriend.
You ruined
You
everything.
wish you had a girlfriend.
I do have one.
I know a lot of people are gonna comment on this video if you're ever going to post it. I'm gonna ask for my handle. What makes you do TikToks? Like, how do you feel?
You know, I always feel like I'm TikTok.
Baby, I'm not even here. I'm a hallucination.
Like TikTok defines me, so I'm very happy and everything. Are you even listening right now?
I'm trying to, but then you're so boring. I think I'm sleepy.
2,000 years later.
And stop watching.
And you can move on.
So bye. Peace out. Bye bye. Thank you for being with us.
You're not reporting a news something or
What
whatever.
news? I don't know. This
You're
is
not
the first
reporting a
vlog I've
BBC
ever
news
done.
like.
Oh, I don't know what we should talk about. Like, what?
Okay,
what do
seriously,
people
it's
talk about
burning
these
in
days?
here.
Yeah.
It was
Carrie Gracie, the headlines.
Ah.
Okay, it's Carrie Gracie with the BBC News.
With the weather. Goodbye.
And how did your life change?
Bye.
It's the